Na 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 na.
Hello.
Will you marry?
The closer I get to the gym, the more terrified I am, but I'm gonna do it. Hello everyone, welcome back to this week. Today, I'm just on my way to work and I'm out of breath. This hill just never gets easier, you know. Been working here for 4 years and it just doesn't get easier. So anyway, I've got an ab workout today and it's a Friday today. But because I had a lot of things going on last week, I thought I'm going to, I don't know, make it in 2 videos because there's a lot of things going on and I didn't want to miss things out because I got a lot of good footages. So yesterday we went to Clevedon. Very strong. It's gonna wake me up. I like these chairs. Should we go that way?
Yeah.
Into the forest. Look like what?
Jungle.
It is a jungle.
So we can climb.
Oh, wow, I'm gonna fall in. Fall in the nettles. That would be fun. Come on, I will beat you. Are you the chosen one? You need to pull it out. Look how beautiful the view is. So pretty. That's, I don't know what castle that is. Or is it a castle?
Well, no, I think it's just something, yeah.
Oh yeah. Can you go down this way? Could probably.
Just don't step on dead bodies.
Dead bodies. That's so pretty.
She's doing forbidden stuff.
Take that one. Look at us steal from nature. Is it snowing?
Na 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 na. Will you marry?
Be quick!
Breathing, isn't it?
Oh, it's good for my heart. Oh my god. How long it takes for you to get used to it? She's coming, she's coming, she's swimming, she's going.
Swimming slow but swimming. How warm is it?
A little bit. Getting used to it.
Still a bit cold.
What, in the flower?
No, I didn't. Flower.
Oh. I had a mental breakdown on Wednesday. Oh, lovely body image issues and stuff. So today's Wednesday and it's 6:16. So basically, when I started filming on this YouTube channel, I kind of like promised myself that I'm going to be as transparent, as relatable as I can and as real as I can. So basically, I find it like with Instagram and YouTube, like people kind of like make things look nicer than it is. So anyway, I'm going to the gym and this is the first time I'm wearing a light leggings with a crop top, and the thing is, my insecurity always been, for some reason, I don't know why, my tummy. And then the weird thing is, when I was younger, probably up to 25, I'm 34 now, I never had a belly, so I always had very flat stomach. And I'm not saying I have a big belly or anything, but yeah, it's always my obsession. So putting it out there, I'm wearing a high-waisted mint leggings. I'll show you. There we go. And obviously if I lift my arms, you can see my side. And I kind of just wanted to show you that it's really hard to do it, but then I'm gonna do it because I'm not gonna wear things just because I'm afraid of what other people think. And yeah, it's just trying to stay confident basically. And the closer I get to the gym, the more terrified I am, but I'm gonna do it, and I do not care. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Basically, I just wanted to say it because I think we're all going through some things in our head. And then when you go into the gym and you think someone is so confident, it's not necessarily the case. And then obviously it takes a lot to say it because it's going to be on YouTube. So everybody's going to know that. But I think that's how you can fight your own demons, by facing them, saying it out loud. Yeah. So the closer I get to work, the more terrified I am to get to work. This is ridiculous. And you know what? It's what goes in my head every single time I look in the shop, like window reflections, is that basically when I was younger, I wanted to be a ballerina. And I went to apply for a school. And then they told me like, oh, you're a very good dancer, but you're too big. And since I was a kid, that's why I struggle with putting on weight and stuff like that, and binge eating and all that kind of stuff, because that's literally the sentence that plays around in my head. So now walking to work, this is literally what I hear, is like, you're too big to wear these leggings. And I'm really, really fighting my thoughts. Oh, this is so annoying. Look, I'm start crying. What the fuck? Fuck. So I came to the park a little bit before I go to the gym. I need to calm down. Hello, so I'm back to the park. I just finished my two classes, Zumba and body conditioning, and survived with the leggings. There wasn't anything, it's just me, my own head. But yeah, sorry about you having to watch me having a mental breakdown, but I just wanted to show you like how real it is to feel bad. And I don't want to be one of those YouTubers that I'm just like crying on camera all the time and stuff, but I just feel like I want to be very like transparent with how I feel, and I don't want like whoever's watching my videos to feel like bad, because like I had it before when people were like, oh, you're doing so well, like I haven't got motivation, I feel like so jealous because like you got all this motivation and stuff, and then you, because I feel like sometimes you can come across very like very confident and very like motivated and all that kind of stuff, but we're all going through some days when you like hear those voices in your head saying that like all those stupid things. I don't even want to get into it because I don't want to like put myself back to that like mindset. But I feel good now. Back to the park on my lunch break. I've got an hour break, so it's 12 o'clock now. It's still 1, and then I've got a client, then I've got a session, like a female session we normally do, and then I've got another class which is an abs class. But yeah, survived. Really proud of myself, so well done, Ivett. And yeah, just keep in mind there are days when you feel rubbish, but I heard this thing somewhere where like basically I've been talking so much in this vlog already, like I don't know, it's only like Wednesday and it's probably like a really long video already, but basically I heard this thing somewhere that when you think that you can't do something, or there are some situations when you feel like it's just so much stress, or like there is something going on in your life and you think that you're not going to get over it, and then it's really hard to survive, and then, you know, some people like get into this really bad mindset, some people commit suicide and all that kind of stuff. Like, you just need to remind yourself that you had times before when you felt that way and you survived it, such as like, I don't know, having exams when I was younger. I was like, oh my god, there's no way I survived this, what was gonna happen if like I fail or whatever. And then I realized there's nothing's gonna happen, you can do it again, like you're not gonna die. It's just, I think we don't realize how strong we are actually. And yeah, so if you ever feel like you're stuck somewhere and then you feel like you can't do it, just remember that you've done it before. You survived stuff before that you thought you're not going to survive. So yeah, and also there's another thing I want to share, that one as well really quickly. There was another thing I heard, someone was saying that the person you are now is the person that your child self would feel safe around. And that really, like, I don't know, it really spoke to me, because I feel like thinking how I am, not like manning up myself and bigging up myself, but like I think if I was a child I would be really comfortable around myself, because yeah, anyway, that was it really. Right, see you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. So today is Thursday, upper body training. Yesterday I actually weighed myself, and crazy enough I lost another kilo of fat, gained some more muscles, so things are working out the way they are. But weirdly, for some reason, when I was a bit bigger I didn't actually feel that big, and now I started to lose weight and get my old form and physique back, I feel bigger. It's really weird. Like I feel like I've got a bigger belly and all that, and this in reality is not the case. So this is a great example of how our bloody mind works. Anyway, enough about that. So abs, some cardio as well today, and it's the Queen's Jubilee this weekend actually. So lots of parties, streets look lovely after the parties, rubbish everywhere. That's the Jubilee for you. Lovely. But I hope people had fun though. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. Today I tried running for the first time in years, probably, I can't remember. I think it was way before COVID when I had to stop running because I had started having an injury, and basically I was trying to recover from that injury for bloody ages, and I'm still not recovered. I still have it sometimes, and then some days are better, some days are not. But yeah, so today I was like meant to walk, because that's what I always do, like incline walk and fast walk and stuff. And basically I was like, you know what, I just feel quite like fit today, so I'm just gonna try. So I did, and I'm glad I did, because I managed to jog for like a long time. And then basically all I was doing is jog for a minute, and then walk for a minute, jog for a minute, walk for a minute, you know, but I had no pain, so that's actually really good.